Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna solve a question based on Gauss-Seidel method. So question is like this. Here we have given a matrix of some integers in it, like 10, -2, -1, -1, and we have given the another matrix of 4 cross 1, and that contains variables like x1, x2, x3 and x4, and it is equals to 3, 15, 27, 9, and we have to solve this matrix, this whole system of equation by Gauss-Seidel method. So by the R programming language we can solve this. Here is the program for Gauss-Seidel method. We have given a matrix A that contains all the coefficient of that matrix given like this. This is the A matrix we have given in the R program. Then we have taken a vector which contains the value 0. Initially it contains the value 0 that is in X, and then we have given n equals to 4 because we have to find 4 variables. Then we have iterated our loop in 100 times. This is just a maximum iteration. It won't iterate for 100 times, but it is just a maximum value given to for the iteration. It could be any value like 20, 25, 100 or 102 and 1000 also, but we have just taken a 100 value. Then we have given big as 0, and then we have iterated a for loop for I equals to 1 to n. Then initialize s variable as 0.0, and then iterated the for loop from j to n. In this, if I is not equals to j, then s will equals to s plus a of I comma j into x of j, that is s contains the sum of the whole equation at once. Then we have a variable known as temp that would hold a temporary variable, the value of a comma I comma 5 minus s divided by a comma I is all according to our Gauss-Seidel method. Then we have given RELLER, that is the relational error. It is equals to absolute of temp minus xi divided by temp, and if RELL is greater than big, then big is replaced by RELLER, and then xi is equals to temp. Then we have printed the value of x1, x2 and x3 and x4 over here. 4, right? So if big is less than equals to 0.001, then it should paste converge and paste the value of x, that is the final answer. So we just source it. And here's the answer. For iteration number, we have printed the value of x1, x2, x3. At 8th iteration, we have converged to our solution, that is x1 equals to 1.26 something, x2 equals to 2.62599, x3 equals to 3.488, and x4 equals to 1.99. So in this way, we can solve this question by using Gauss-Seidel method in our programming language. Thank you.